Hello everyone. Today our topic is crystal field splitting in octahedral complex and tetrahedral complex. Crystal field splitting in octahedral complex and tetrahedral complex. First of all, see crystal field splitting in octahedral complex. In the case of an octahedral coordination compound having 6 ligands surrounding the metal atom or ion, we observe repulsion between the electrons in d orbitals and ligand electrons. In octahedral complex, we have 6 ligands attached with central metal atom or ion. In between the central metal atom and ion, there is a electrostatic attraction forces. This repulsion is experienced more in the case of dx square y square and dz square orbitals, as they point towards the axis along the direction of the ligand. Hence, they have higher energy than average energy in the spherical crystal field. dx square y square dz square orbitals are along the axis orbitals. So, in octahedral complex, dx square y square dz square exhibits higher energy. On the other hand, dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals experience lower repulsions as they are directed between the axes. dxy, dyz, dxz orbitals are between the axes. These three orbitals have less energy than the average energy in the spherical crystal field. Between the axes, orbitals have less energy. Along the axis, orbitals have higher energy. Thus, the repulsions in octahedral coordination compound yield two energy levels, two set of energy levels. T2g set of 3 orbitals, dxy, dyz and dxz with lower energy, Eg set of 2 orbitals, dx square y square and dz square with higher energy. Crystal field theory 2, octahedral complexes. MXC6N, where M means central metal atom, X is the ligand. 6 ligands attached to the central metal atom is placed at the center of regular octahedron, while 6 ligands occupy the position at 6 vertices of the octahedron. 6 ligands occupy the position at 6 vertices of the octahedron. 2 orbital dx square y square and dz square are axial, greater repulsion, and dxy, dyz, dzx have less repulsion. This is the octahedral structure. This is the central metal atom. Central metal atom surrounded by 6 ligands. Experimental calculation show that the energy of T2g orbital is 0.4 del O, where del O is nothing but octahedral stabilization energy, and energy of EZ orbital is increased by 0.6 del O, 0.6 del O, where del O also octahedral stabilization energy. The difference between T2g and EZ orbital is del O, which is called crystal field splitting energy. Del O is nothing but crystal field stabilization energy, that is splitting energy. 0.6 del O is easy orbital energy. T2G orbital energy is 0.4 del O. CFSE is increases with the increasing strength of ligands and oxidation state of central metal ion. CFSE value is increases whenever increase the strength of ligands and oxidation state of central metal ion. See, this is the diagram of octahedral complex. There are d orbital, 5-fold degenerate orbital. This is the central center of gravity line or barycenter. Okay, T2G orbitals having lower energy in octahedral complex. Okay, our value is minus 0.4 del O. Okay, dx square y square and dz square Eg set of orbital, our value is 0.6 del O. Okay, this is the energy level diagram of octahedral complex. See, crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complex. Crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complex. The splitting of 5-fold degenerate d orbitals of the metal ion into 2 levels in a tetrahedral crystal field is the representation of 2 sets of orbitals as Td. The electrons in dx square y square and dz square orbitals are less repelled by the ligand than the electrons present in dxy, dyz and dxz orbital. As a result, the energy of dxy, dyz and dxz orbital set or rise, that means T2G is excited in tetrahedral geometry. That as dx square y square and dz square orbitals are lower. This is the opposite phenomena to octahedral complex. In this one, there are only 4 ligands in tetrahedral complex, and therefore the total negative charge of 4 ligands, and hence the ligand field is less than that of 6 ligands. The direction of the orbitals does not coincide with the direction of the ligand's approach to the metal ion. See, CF2 tetrahedral complexes. In the tetrahedral complexes, MX4, where M means central metal atom, X4 is nothing but 4 ligands. 4 ligands are attached to the central metal atom. See, this is the diagram where central metal atom, there are 4 ligands attached to the central metal atom or ion is placed at center of the regular tetrahedron, and the 4 ligands are placed at 4 corners of the tetrahedron. Ligand approach the central metal between 3 coordinate xyz. Coordination 3 xyz. 4 ligands are attached to the central metal atom. See, in the case of strong field ligand, the electrons prefer to pair up in easy orbital giving low spin complexes. While in case of weak field ligand, we already know spectrochemical series in previous video. The electrons prefer to enter higher energy T2Z orbitals, giving more unpaired electrons and hence form high spin complexes. See the tetrahedral geometry diagram. Energy is in increasing order. D orbital, 5 degenerated orbital. These orbitals are splitting into 2 cadre, T2G cadre and EZ cadre. T2G is excited because of these are the greater repulsion, higher energy. EZ is the lower repulsion, higher energy. Here the value, this is the barycenter, middle one is the barycenter. In between these two, these T2G to EZ, distance is del T. That is the tetrahedral crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, from barycenter to T2G level, okay, 2 by 5 del T. 2 by 5 is nothing but total orbitals are 5. Out of these 5, 2 orbitals are in a lower level. That's why 2 by 5 del T. Okay, another way is in between Barry center to EZ orbital, our total orbitals are 5 orbital, that is the denominator. Okay, out of these 5 orbitals, okay, 3 orbitals are excited. That's why 3 by 5 del T. Okay, this is the condition. 3 by 5 del T. These are the values, crystal field, stabilization energy, values of tetrahedral complex. Thus, the repulsions in tetrahedral coordination compounds yield 2 energy levels. In these tetrahedral complexes, T2 set of orbitals are higher energy, EG set of orbitals are lower energy. This is the opposite to octahedral geometry. Okay, this is the diagram to explain both complexes, tetrahedral complexes and octahedral complexes. Okay, this is this one from left side. There is a octahedral splitting, right side tetrahedral splitting. We easily analyze tetrahedral and octahedral geometry splitting condition. Thank you, students. I think you should clear about crystal field stabilization, energy, how to split crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex and tetrahedral complex. See, once again I repeated what is octahedral complex, what is tetrahedral complex. Okay, our first slide, in octahedral complex consisting of a 6 ligands attached to the central metal atom. Okay, there are 2 sets of degenerate orbitals, dx square y square and dz square. These are along the axis. Along the axis are major repulsions. That's why in octahedral complex, along the axis are higher energy orbitals. Lower energy orbitals are dxy, dyz and dxz. These are the between the axis. Between the axis, orbitals are lower energy in octahedral complex. Okay, there are 2 sets, that is T2G set, EG set. T2G set of orbitals having lower energy in octahedral complex. EG set of orbitals having higher energy in octahedral complex. Okay, Mx6 is nothing but, M means central metal atom, X is the ligand. Central metal atom surrounded with 6 ligands in 6 vertices of the octahedron geometry. Okay, next one, CFSE value 0.4 del O and 0.6 del O. T2G CFSE value is 0.4 del O. EG CFSE value is 0.6 del O. The total is del O is nothing but octahedral crystal field stabilization energy. This is the diagram of octahedral complex. In octahedral complex, dx square y square dz square having higher energy, dxy dyz and dxz having lower energy. Crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complex. Tetrahedral complex is opposite phenomena to octahedral complex. In this tetrahedral complex, T2G orbitals are excited, EG orbitals are lower energy. T2G orbitals have higher energy, EG orbitals have lower energy in tetrahedral complex. Okay, so Mx4 is nothing but, where M is the central metal atom, X is the ligand. Ligand is attached to the central metal atom in four corners is there. In tetrahedral geometry, there are 4 corners. 4 corners have 4 ligands. In middle, there is the central metal atom. Okay, this is the diagram of tetrahedral complex. In tetrahedral complex, dx square y square dz square have less energy, and dxy dyz dzx have higher energy. T2G is excited in tetrahedral complex. EZ is in lower level in tetrahedral complex. There is a CFSE value 2 by 5 del T, 3 by 5 del T. Next one, here also two sets of orbitals. T2 set of orbitals have higher energy. E set of orbitals have lower energy in tetrahedral complex. This is the two complexes differences. Left side there is a octahedral complex. Okay, dxy dyz dzx have lower energy, dx square y square dz square have higher energy. In case of a tetrahedral geometry, E set of orbital, T2 set of orbital. T2 set of orbital dxy dxz dyz have excited, dx square y square dz square have lower energy. This is the main thing to differentiate tetrahedral complex and octahedral complex. Okay, 5 d orbitals lost degeneracy and split into 2-point group. The group T2G lower energy while EG group have higher energy. Okay, this is the difference between octahedral geometry and tetrahedral geometry. Okay, thank you students. If you have any doubt in crystal field splitting of octahedral and tetrahedral complexes, okay, please consult me either mail ID or mobile number. Thank you so much.